Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and this today's video I'll be showing you how you can sort files by name on Windows 11. Alright guys, first of all open your file explorer on your PC, and this is my file explorer. Just tap on it, and then for example I'm going to select my PC right here, and then I'm going to select this one. Okay, and you can choose one of your folder, and then for example I'm going to choose this folder. Okay, and if you want to sort by name, you can simply click on sort right here, and then you can tap on name. Okay, and now the file has been sorted by name, and that's how we can sort files by name on Windows 11. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find this tutorial is useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next tutorial guys. Bye!